Donna.
Sorry.
Hey everybody, it's Doug and Donna again. If you watched the video a couple of weeks ago, we got new phones, and then a couple of weeks after that, we got even newer phones. And the first new phones we got, we did what we're about to do now, where we let it charge for a few days, and I just had been really busy and I haven't got a chance to do it. It was someone's birthday, it was Christmas, it was whole bunch of cool stuff happening in the last couple of weeks. It's December, so it's December stuff, you know. So we finally got a chance to record the video of the new house phones. They're Panasonics. I'm going to grab them right now, and as you can look at, my mouth isn't moving because I'm not Donna. I'm actually Doug. I'm over here. Hi. And I'm going to get the phones. So the first phone I'm going to get is the base. It's plugged in right here.
And you want me to go to the next room?
Oh, I'm not ready for that, Donna.
And I'm using my new cell phone I got.
As you can see on the phone, you see the phone? You can't see the phone. Well, it is fully charged, I guess. Been charging for a couple of days. So,
this one be better.
This one, I believe this phone. I believe I could
Fly.
No, we can't say
No. I can believe I can fly like a
cardinal.
we can fly like a telephone.
Telephones can't fly.
Fly around.
What telephones do you know that can fly, Donna?
I can fly like a unicorn.
You can fly like a unicorn?
Yeah, remember the unicorn that unhappy?
Unhappy?
Yeah.
What do you mean happy?
Where's that movie? The one
TV show?
The TV show Happy. The flying car. The flying unicorn.
It's not a unicorn, it's a Pegasus.
It's a Pegasus. It looks like a unicorn.
Okay. We have
cool.
The phone plugged in. Now let's.
Do you want me to go to the bedroom?
Hold on, Donna. I plugged in, so let's do the first. Oh, don't do that, Donna.
You want me to do our bedroom?
No, hold on. Sit on the couch. I told you to sit on the couch right now. Please sit on the couch. They need to see someone on the couch. Please see. Sit on the couch when I'm ready, okay? So what I'm testing right now is there's a telephone pad on the answer machine. I'm gonna call Donna's cell phone on this pad and see if it actually does make a phone call outside of. Let's see, 6.
I like that. So cool.
How do you track that? Okay, so it seems to be calling. Your phone ringing, Emma?
Not yet.
Not yet. They call the right number. Did I plug it in? How do I hang it up? Okay, so that didn't work. So now we're seeing why it didn't work. Okay, so let me try the number again. 6. You calling? It's calling. It says it's calling.
Yeah, it works.
Go in the other room. Go.
Hello?
Close the door, Donna.
Okay.
Close the door. Go deep in there. Where's the volume in here? So as you can see, it's really loud. I guess you guys could hear it. Here's the volume. Can you say something, Donna? No, Donna, go farther in because you're echoing the house. Go into JJ's room. Because they go way back. Go shut the door and go way back on the other side of the room.
Okay, it's echoing.
No, let's Donna say dream in the 90s. Donna, let's tell me how you're doing.
Good?
No, get away from the door. Go all the way in there. Talk softer. Sorry everybody. It's hard to communicate with Donna because she always does what she wants instead of what needs to be done, and she doesn't listen very well. And I get frustrated. And I know a lot of people have been commenting to be nice to Donna, but what you don't see behind the scenes is I am very nice to Donna. And if you watch the other videos, you see I buy her stuff all the time or get her stuff all the time. So Donna, you there? Yeah. Talk softer because I can still hear you in the other room. No. So it looks like the speakerphone's really loud. So if I get in a call with people and I don't want to use the cell phones, I could use the speakerphone. So that's pretty cool on the headset. So like when I'm talking to people for long periods of time, you can hear me okay, right, Donna? Yeah. Can you go outside and see what it sounds like outside? Like outside the house? You're gonna have to put your no, don't hang up.
No.
Put your other shoes on. Other shoes on, and either step out there or go out there. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I love you. Are you mad at me?
No.
You not? Am I being mean?
No.
Am I making you say that? See, yeah, she doesn't. Am I very nice to you?
Yes.
Am I not being very nice to you right now?
No.
I am being nice to you?
Outside?
Out there, yeah.
There's a circle.
With the door shut. With the door shut.
No.
I'll tell you when to come back in. Is it cold out there? Is it cold out there, Donna? Donna, can you hear me? Donna, can you hear me? Okay, come back inside. Wait. Let's stay right there real quick. So I'm trying the next phone. I'm gonna see if we can transfer this one. Hello? Okay, can you say something, Donna? Donna, can you say something? Are you saying something, Donna? Is it cold outside? Okay, do you want to come inside and get a sweater? Okay, I don't want to make you sick or anything. Okay, say something now. Say something now. Hold on, keep on saying something. Tell me how cold you think it is outside. Tell me how cold you think it is outside. Donna?
I don't know. That's what he's trying to tell us.
But what temperature do you think it is outside? Donna?
It's really cold. Like, really so much. It's 40.
Like 40? Okay, let me just try another phone real quick, okay? Okay, here's another phone. I'm hanging up this phone. I'm hanging up this phone and going to this phone. So I'm transferring this phone. Right. Okay, line in use. Why won't it let me? Hello? Okay, cool. Okay, I got the other phone. Okay, Donna, can you talk for me real quick? Tell me how cold it is outside. Okay, say it again. Are you talking? Say something. Oh, we're almost done. Okay, this one's a lot quieter. But I can hear her, but I don't know thing. Okay, can you tell me sing? Can you tell me a couple lines? Not sing, but a couple lines is cold out there. Can you say a couple different lines from that song, but not in the same order?
It's cold out here.
Let's say different song, different lyrics from the song.
Huh?
No, different lyrics from the song.
No.
No.
I can't think of nothing.
Alright, hold on, let's switch the phones. Let's switch the phones. So I'm getting this phone over here. I'm switching this phone to this phone. Up there. Okay, Donna, can you talk? Donna, can you talk? Can you talk, Donna? Are you there, Donna? Can you say something else? Say a couple more words. Okay, we're almost done. We only have one more phone to do after this one. Okay, Donna, talk now. Tell me what you feel like right now outside.
It's like cold outside.
How cold? Is it like freezing? Tell me what you're wearing out there.
Very, very cold.
There you go. Okay, now I'm switching to the last phone. Everybody. Okay, hold on a second. Oh, I guess we're on the last phone then. Okay. Okay, there's 4 phones plus a speakerphone on the Android machine, so there's a total of 5 phones altogether, which is really awesome. So now, switching this phone to this phone. Okay, turning this phone off. And go ahead and speak, Donna. Are you okay out there? Is it really cold? It's the last phone. You're almost able to come back inside. Your punishment's almost over. Hold on, we gotta do the last we have to do the speakerphone now. Hey Donna, what did you do to deserve to sit outside, go outside? No, why did you have to go outside? What did you do wrong? Oh, you got punished because you made the phones echo? Oh, she found a cat, everybody. Okay, we're done now, Donna. Well, hold on, wait, Donna. Now you come inside and I go outside. Okay?
Okay.
Don't let that cat in.
No.
So I want you to go by the speaker and listen, okay?
Okay.
Donna, can you hear me?
Yes.
Donna, are you at the microphone?
Yes.
Please, can you okay?
Yes.
And the microphone's taking you over again?
Yes.
Can you take me off
Speaker?
your speakerphone or your phone?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah. Bye, everybody. Have a nice day.